You've been missing out on a gold mine. Mobile home investments, small upfront but big returns. Yes, you heard it right. Coming at you first with the triple L. Location, location, location. Let's hunt down those secret treasure spots with high demand and low competition. Want to be a rental income superstar? Let's start with Kitchen Reno 101. Slap on some fresh paint, swap out those ancient fixtures, and transform that outdoor space into a cozy haven. Stay tuned for amazing renovation ideas. Did you know? Unlike typical houses, mobile homes lose value, but the land underneath, that's a gold mine. Investing in it can grow your cash flow like crazy. Get this, the community have super low tenant turnover. And you know what that means? Your investment, it's even sweeter. Ready to plunge into the universe of mobile home investments? Transform those dreams into streams of income. Let's go. Got a plan to upgrade your financial status? Let's make it a reality, one mobile home after another. Follow JD Real Estate Group for more information.